Alright guys, Sunday afternoon, had a little time on my hands to kill. So before I went and take my ride, I was like, hey, let me mess with this a little bit, you know? I was having some low compression issues and what's not. I decided to check the valve clearance and the valves was really tight. So first I was getting less than 50 PSI. So I'm gonna show you something right now. Everybody who say I'm not a good mechanic, I don't think anybody ever said that. Look at this. If I twist the throttle open, it should give me a little more.